Welcome friend to Edispread Digital. In this video we will know how to read from a script for video production. As we all know, creating a professional video can truly elevate the marketing campaign of any small business. If your video has high enough production values and the right calls to action, it can be hugely more effective in converting sales than any text or image. And at the same time, it will make your business look more resourceful and organized. Not just anyone can create a video. And the good news: you don't need to be Steven Spielberg in order to create high-quality videos for your business. In fact, all you need is a good idea and the right tools. Thanks to some video tools, there's not even any reason to get in front of the camera. But even if you choose to go the Excel route, you will still likely find that talking over your video is a necessity in order to ensure it's engaging and effective. And for some people, the thought of talking over their videos will be just as nerve-wracking as being on film. Here are some tips that can help. Speak slowly. Speaking more slowly is the #1 tip for most people who start out recording their own videos. Unfortunately, most of us speak far too fast on film, and especially if we're nervous. Even if you think you're speaking slowly, there's probably a good chance you aren't. Make sure then that you practice going slowly. Try listening to yourself back, and in particularly, pause after sentences. Pausing after sentences will help you to prevent filler noises by letting you catch your breath. At the same time, it also allows you to more easily edit the voice you've recorded because you'll have easier and more obvious break points. Read ahead. Reading from a script, your eyes should be darting ahead at all times. This means that you should have an idea of what's coming up so that you can avoid any nasty surprises or stumbling over your words. Speak as though you're talking. This takes practice, but know that the ultimate goal is to use the same pitch and tone as though you were talking naturally. Having a script is useful to ensure you say what you want to say, but to the listener it should sound as though you're talking off the top of your head. Add music. If it sounds stilted, try adding some quiet music in the background. This can do a great deal to make it sound more professional. Thanks for watching this video, and to learn more skill development courses, go to edispread.com and sign up now.